Winds quiet down. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and here are our highest gusts on Thursday. Lots of places in the 40s in South Jersey, and if you weren't in the 40s, you were in the 30s during the day. Today, a little bit of a different story. We see our gusts in the 20s and some 30s to start out our afternoon, but as you see, as we go later into the day, and by the end of this loop, this is about 8 o'clock, gusts are only in the teens, and our winds calm down as we go on throughout the day. Now, we do have this northwest flow with the winds, and that is keeping a cooler day for the day today on Friday. Looking ahead, this is our next weather story. This is potentially Tropical Storm Nestor. It's not named right now, but it is going to move very quickly to the north and east and get into the Florida Panhandle sometime tomorrow morning. And then by the time we get towards the end of the weekend, see where it's going, to the north and east, but staying away from our area. The result is likely going to be periods of rain throughout the day on Sunday, mainly in Cape May County. I think overall it's not a washout for much of us, but there will be some showers in the forecast along with a strong easterly wind and maybe some minor coastal flooding as well. As we go into the afternoon, again, we have below average temperatures, just around 60 degrees. That's about 7 degrees below average. Breezy, but not windy like we saw during the day on yesterday. But I would imagine a couple of those garbage cans will be flying around. High school football forecast for you. Temperatures in the 50s to start out. Now our 7 o'clock starts. They get cooler pretty quick here, and that's because we have something called radiational cooling, where the heat from the day can escape straight into outer space very quickly. And we see wide differences between the mainland and the shore. So 43 in Manahawk and 50 in Long Beach, and the reason for that is because at the shore, you still have that milder ocean water playing a role. EHT only getting to 39 tonight, and some places deep in the Pine Barrens, like you Woodbine, could be seeing our first frost, widespread frost in the Pine Barrens, as we have temperatures in the mid-30s for lows, and those Cape May at 47, and then right around 40 degrees for much of Cumberland County. We will warm up quickly, though, on Saturday. We'll have a good amount of sunshine to help us with that. Winds finally diminish, temperatures in the mid-60s, and then we go into Sunday, also in the mid-60s. Bigger story is going to be the wind and the rain showers. Again, not a washout for most of us. And in fact, if you're near I-95, you could very well have a dry day on Sunday. I'm really just talking about Cape May County, right along the immediate shore, that would have more of those periods of rains that bring a washout. Mainland 7-day forecast. We go into Monday, 68 degrees, and we're looking at next week mostly dry. The exception will be sometime Monday night into Tuesday as a cold front comes through. We'll bring periods of rain, probably a pretty good soaking like we had earlier this week. We are in moderate drought for everywhere south of the Atlantic City Expressway now. So this will do a good job of helping to chop away at that. And then we go into the end of the week. We see 69 degrees on Thursday at the shore. Pretty good here in South Jersey. Coming up a little bit later today, we will be in Chatsworth at 2:30 p.m. at Pine Island Cranberry for our Cooling Off October. We are exploring how cranberry growers combat frost. And I didn't pick it on this day intentionally because there was going to be frost. This was just what we scheduled, and then we just so happened to have frost as we go into the night tonight. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can find us on social media, or you can follow me at our website at thepressiveac.com/weather.